Morning, Donald.
Morning, brother.
How are you doing?
Yeah, pretty good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm pretty good, mate. Just looking at trying to get in a little gold piece here.
Gold is pushing up.
Yeah, I was waiting till we were sort of above 2024. We started to get closure now. We're starting to create support, but we've got this resistance here on the 5 minute that we're literally closing at. So it might be better to wait until we get closure above there. Then we can maybe look to fill this wick and then continue up. I mean, what we got to the left. Yeah, we're pretty clean up to like 2029 from here, so. I mean, even better if we can form a bearish 5 minute candle though. Oh, it's not going to show me that data, is it? No.
Yeah, I did this way. Who knows?
Yeah, me personally, I'm probably more interested in gold than GJ today. GJ's dead one still.
Yeah, DJ's not gonna move much. The gold will explode.
Yeah, gold, if we can get an early entry now and then sort of hold through, or potentially, you know, see if we can get a push, get to break even. The problem is that with gold right now, one sec, let's get the YouTube all sorted out. Yeah, probably have to wait for a closure above this 5 minute resistance. I think that's the song I keep getting thingied for, actually, you know. Then we could pop off here on gold, you know.
Yeah, it's possible.
I want to see it close above this resistance. Otherwise, we ain't going up yet. So we're literally right at that 15 minute level. 30 minute and 1 hour looks good, but I need to close above the minor level. Yeah, it's not closing above yet. That's pretty cool. See, that's better. Now we start to see bearish candles. If we then start to form more bullish candles within this 30 minute candle, we should be alright. Otherwise, this would just, because this is what I was going to say, was the problem with gold at the minute is what we're seeing is overnight, every time we're sort of breaking up and above resistance, we're pulling deep back in before we push out. We close above, we're pulling deep out before we move up. Do you get what I mean? So you almost don't want to be caught buying at the high and then you end up all the way back down here. So that's why I'm at minimum waiting for a support, just because, just in case we start pulling back into the range, then obviously I'll look for opportunities for support to test wherever we stop. If we stop here, then I'll wait for pullbacks to, you know what I mean. But if we're gonna just go, now that we got 4 hour candle closing bullish and we break above the highs, then yeah, the next target is like 2029, which would be a flyer if we can get that. That'd be a flyer. So if we can create support, we should be alright. Oh, it's breaking up. We've still got 3 minutes. Might as well chill and wait for that 3 minutes. Could get in off the break of the wick, but if then it doesn't close above it, then we're not going to be too happy. But I also don't want this to run off. Chill, gold.
Maybe just fine. I'm rotating.
Yeah, the thing is that even if I get in right, I'm gonna have to get to break even fairly quick, because the problem is we're seeing the harsh pullbacks you're getting within this area. Now I know that was just Asian, but still, I'd rather have a trade based off the 5 minute. 2 minutes is such a long time for a 5 minute candle. Right, bro, your phone's going mad.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
That's alright. I said your phone's going mad.
Yeah, it's alarm, bro.
Alarm. Yeah. No, I woke up at 6 today, yeah, and I looked at it. I was just like, it's dead right now. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. So
I was like, there's just no point. There's no point to it being there right now. Oh, look at this! Thank God.
Yeah, I told you, it's my retreat.
Yeah, see, this is what I'm saying. That's why you gotta be so careful. This is the thing about GJ, man. If it does close above, then obviously could be a good shot. But if it does this, then I'll have to allow it to pull back into the range. If this closes above, then I think we'll get a flyer. I mean, if it's going to close bearish, it's better it just closes bearish. It gives us an opportunity later on. Rather than tricking us into buys. Uh-oh. No, I think we're not going to get that closure.
No, I don't think so.
No, close bearish. That's pretty cool. I mean, even better if we create like a deeper wick and then start flipping up. Good morning, humble trader. What's the time frame you're looking at? So yeah, I'm currently looking at the 1 hour, 30, 15, and then obviously using 5 for entries on gold, because we are at a resistance right now. So if we can break above this resistance, then we kind of have to anticipate that sort of pre-London volume that will continue to push and make more highs. But we always have to be careful at the highs we've got, with gold, because you can get some mad wick, and if it starts flipping, then it's just, yeah, it's mad. So we'll see what happens with it. It may not even give us the opportunity yet. But this is partly why I don't just get in off the closure. I mean, you would have had a max 8 pips in profit so far. Because I would rather this. I'd rather this create like a massive liquidity wick and then start driving up. But obviously if it does start breaking above, we're gonna have to deal with it. But yeah, I probably won't be touching GJ today. GJ, I've already sort of, you know, would need support above this level here. Ooh. For GJ, I would need support above this area here. Right now we're in this current range at this point. We've seen this big ass correction from yesterday. We need to break up, create support, then we can look to go with it back to 60 or 65s. But apart from that, yeah, I ain't really dealing with GJ right now. I'm certainly not just going to jump in sells, you know what I'm saying? There's no sells right now in GJ either. Good morning, Lone Wolf. How are we? How you doing? Yeah, I'm just waiting and seeing. Just gonna wait and see what happens. But yeah, I think for the session, because I can't actually see on the 5 minute like if there's any sort of minor resistance or anything, but based on like 31 hour, we're clean up to like 1929. So we have like fairly clean move up on gold if we've got the volume. But I would expect we would today, considering a continuation from yesterday. Doing great, good. I was gonna say, Lone Wolf, well done for catching those buys that we discussed yesterday. Played out beautifully. Right, we got 1 minute here to see what's gonna happen. So the 5 minute wants to close above it. See if we're going to drive up. See if we're going to get a little push here. Just got to be careful at this wick. Volume die now, eh? We'll see. I think we could get a little push here. I don't see why not. But now we're approaching this wick, so if we're going to reject it, then we can keep a little eye on that. But if we're going to drive up, then we're going to drive up. If it pushes hard, it could push really hard. Thinking maybe like, I don't know, 10 pips, I potentially get to break even, something like that. We'll see. But I would expect this to drive up now that we're going to make sort of new 1 minute highs. Oh shit. Oh, come on gold. Don't stop till you get in it. I want to try and see if we can get a bit of a beastie move here. We've got a fairly nice clean candle to the left hand side. Don't want this doing a mad retrace. Got to be so careful at this point on gold. Buying right into massive high time frame resistance, so always be cautious. But we planned, we executed. Hopefully this can just see where it goes. But yeah, like I say, 2029 seems to be the higher time frame target, but where we're gonna tap on the 5, I can't know. It's got no information to the left. What are you saying, Donald?
It's really undecisive right now.
Did you get in anything or?
No.
Oh, okay. Oh shit.
Looks like it's gonna push, though.
Yeah, it does a little bit, doesn't it? Oh, this new 5 could be a heavy pullback.
Yeah, I think it's gonna make a rejection and push up again.
Potentially, but I just don't really want to deal with any mad rejections, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's why I didn't handle.
I don't know, if this keeps pushing, then I'll just let it chill. But if not, obviously I'm in profit to potentially manage it if it starts coming back. Can easily just close it at break even, because I know that in my head, you know, we're in a massive high time frame level. So wouldn't really want to try and play with this if this is going to come down heavy. This isn't really one of them trades that you want to sort of allow to go back into drawdown, I think, because he already said every time gold makes a high, it doesn't matter retracement. So we've got to bear that in mind. But it's so tricky because it's like come down heavy. Yeah, I closed my trade at break even. Tough one, man. See, after that 5 minute, I would have expected that to run off. But I'll be looking for more entries. Oh, shit. If that's a wick on the 5, that's a mad one. But I ain't even trying to play like that. Are you really gonna trade? Yeah, I was in gold buys literally, not even a few minutes, like literally a minute ago, but I closed it break even. I was up around, yeah, about 11 pips ish, but because I was saying where we're at in the market, not really trying to, because the thing is, overnight, every time we've sort of pushed to form a new high, we've seen a mad pullback before continuing. So for me, it's like, unless we pull up, create a target, then pull back, form support, then I know, yeah, easy job to fill that target. But getting in over here, I've got nothing, you know, obviously we've got to the left, but we haven't got anything to the immediate left to tell us where to target. We've got 2029 sort of 1 hour level, but like for me, until like let's say for example this creates resistance here on the 5, yeah, and then the next 5 minute candle gives us a solid looking entry cap, then I can get in it again to say cool, we can now use that as a target, rather than getting in here and then we don't know at that stage whether we're going to just create resistance and then basically smash all the way back down again. Because the way it was moving, we would want to expect to see that basically just continue, especially as we know we've got a clean range up to here. So for me, I'd rather this, really my original plan was to let this form a target and then use support, but the way it was forming up, we break in resistance at that stage, took entry, see if we can push up. So yeah, for me as a re-entry, what would be pretty cool is if we form this as a target, we then maybe get one more bearish 5 minute and then like a solid looking 5 minute closure. We can get into that trade, see if we're going to break through this, get to break even, and then see if we're going to smash through. Candles will start getting bigger, right? Just a 30 minute closure. This is the thing, right? It's forming us. These wicks are going to become targets to get filled, you know, like this. And but the problem is, look at the more and more wicks we're forming in this area, it means that there's going to be harsher pullbacks, more rejections. So yeah, it was worth a little shot, see if we're going to drive up, but always with them sort of trades, got to be careful, get to break even nice and in time. That's just my opinion. But if gold just fills up, then I mean, it is what it is, isn't it? But you know,
Yeah.
you wouldn't expect, like, after seeing this move up and then that big fat bearish candle, you wouldn't expect the next one to just smash through. You probably expect a little bit of downside before, but a bit more upside. The problem is, right, where we are in the market now, although yeah, it's great, we've clearly got momentum, high time frame on our side. The biggest issue that we actually have is the fact that we're in massive high time frame resistance. So at any point you get candles like that, you best be paying attention, because the next one could end up down here, and then before you know it, it's massive profit taking and sell-off happening. Doesn't always mean fundamentally, but it means that because of where you are in the market, you can see this at any time. So this, we got to understand that when we're trying to buy in a monthly resistance. I mean, look where we are. Yeah, we're not right at the highs. The highs are here, but anything above this, anything into the 2000s, is in the highs. Do you know what I'm saying? So we've got to bear that in mind. But you know, it was worth a shot, but it just... Yeah, GJ is gone, mate. Such a shame. I thought we was gonna smash up for the week. Yeah, we'll see if we start getting support formed. So I think now at this stage I'll only buy with targets. What's going on, Kels? How's it going? You alright, Ben? Please, can you give me money?
I want money.
I was gonna ask you for money, mate.
I don't have money. I need money.
Yeah, no, we all need a bit of dash, eh?
Yeah, that was on me.
But yeah, wait and see. Yeah, I'm pretty good, mate. Pretty good. Just had a little break even on gold. Waiting for this to wait for this potentially form support, but it's getting tricky now. Yeah, we'll see if we can get a second opportunity. But yeah, definitely did the right thing closing a break even, because I weren't trying to play with that one. But at least we got a target formed at this stage. Problem is we might just see the next 5 minute fill up, break this and just fill up that range. Could easily see something like that. If that's the case, just gonna have to let that one go. If it does that, you have to let that one go. What are you looking for, Donald? What are you going with?
I would like some buys. Huh?
Hear that one, bro.
Or some sells below that to the fucking range over here, so we have a fucking thin candle downside.
Yeah,
And I won't start it for anything else.
yeah, I mean,
Really
GJ.
volatile.
I aren't even too sure if I'd get any sells on GJ to be honest.
No, GJ sells is really interesting.
Just got so many 4-hour supports to the left. Makes it really tough.
Gold on a sell below
I think below 2017.
2015, yeah, 2015 and 17 is really nice.
Yeah. Because that would be somewhat correction of the move.
Yeah.
I'm not saying we will correct, but I'm saying it'll be somewhat correction.
Yeah, it would be a good idea if it could happen.
Yeah, you'd have to see it, a lot of bearish momentum, give a little pullback, respect that level, and then yeah, I agree. I think it makes a
Do
lot of
we
sense.
have any news today? I haven't talked to you.
No, not that I know of.
It's tricky with NFT this week.
Yeah, NFP Friday, so probably gonna do a madness by Friday.
Yeah, it's gonna be the bank holiday on Friday in some countries. It's gonna be tricky, really tricky.
Yeah, 100.
But for gold, where can it go higher?
2029 is the sort of next sort of 1 hour, 30-minute level. Oh, we got a subscriber.
Oh man.
Amazing. Thank you, Kareemzy. Thank you, Kareemzy. Yeah, no, so my higher time frame target for the day is like 2029, 2030-ish. But apart from that, there's not much really to the left. But it's just whether we're going to get there now or, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But yeah, just going to say quickly, YouTube, Friday, bank holiday. There'll be no stream on Friday, and there'll also be no stream on Monday. There will just be a private Zoom from Friday and Monday. I won't be trading pound either Friday or Monday. I'll just be looking at gold, focusing on gold. So yeah, there will be no stream Friday and Monday, bank holidays. But we'll have a little look at gold on Friday, because if we can get a nice push pre NFP, then we're gonna be laughing.
Yeah, laughing, crying. Who knows?
Yeah, laughing or crying.
Yeah,
True.
Yeah, but we hope to be laughing.
Yeah, we hope to be laughing. Yeah, exactly, mate. And if you're looking for entries on gold, notice how the rejections are coming to the upside now. If we can get the next 5-minute candle giving you that engulfing candle, that will be the close of the 15-minute, respecting all of our levels, but we shall see. But there's still no buys for me yet. I mean, obviously, like we've said, this may just like, the problem is that last 5-minute candle can easily just do that in the last 5 minutes, because now you've actually got a target formed. We've already said that's how gold. If you come to the chart and you see gold moving in this manner, it's going to continue moving in this manner. The problem is, if it was GJ, it's much easier to get in on breaks over wicks, because you know that it's very likely to. But gold, because it's so wicky, it can easily break that, and then you see a 5-minute do that, and then you think, oh, I got in there, why did I do that? But really, if that was GJ, you could probably play it a little bit more like that. Yeah, GJ's just not stopping for no one. It's almost like we know that there's going to be more upside, but it's just when is it going to come in? You don't want to be too early, do you? That's half the problem. You know, because after these rejections, you would expect this to get respected, and then for us to then pull back a bit, but we're not. We're still just trying to continue up, basically. So at this stage, we're breaking through this, creating a little target. And gold's dying. Yeah, did well to get out of break even. Look at this now. That's what we were saying can happen. Oh, gold just died.
Yeah.
Easily is what can happen. So I was saying, getting in over here, it's like time we holding that draw now. Hui. Yeah, gold just died. Yeah, looks like tomorrow's my last day. Last day in the markets. Because I might look at gold. What's that, bro?
Tomorrow is Wednesday?
No, today's Wednesday.
No. Oh yeah, today is Wednesday, tomorrow is Thursday, yeah.
Yeah. No, because tomorrow I'm sorry, Friday I'm not gonna trade. I'll have a little look at gold, but like I won't trade on Friday or Monday actually, I think, because I just don't really have a good. I mean, most bank holidays never really present anything for me anyway, but yeah. Yeah, guys on YouTube, make sure you lot all subscribed. Make sure you're subscribed. Oh mate, I was gonna say Donald got another copyright yesterday.
No, why?
Yeah, I don't know. Must have been one of the songs.
Yesterday it was that I told you that we have a song. We have an ad playing in the background.
Might be. Do you know what? I need to. It reminds me, I need to actually sort that out. Because you can do the what do you call it? You can edit it so that it mutes it. That's very annoying.
Yeah. I can send you even a program that mutes the ads totally on Spotify.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can send it later too.
Yeah.
It makes it premium.
Oh, okay.
On PC, yeah. It
Oh,
blocks
nice.
everything and it's super fine.
Do you have to pay for it?
No, it's free, bro.
Oh, cool. Oh, mate, yeah, sounds good, man.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, it's okay. Ah, see. Oh, right. So there was two songs on yesterday's stream that. This is a bit of a weird one because it's saying I didn't get a copyright strike, but it has flagged it. That's odd. I might as well just mute the song and then it doesn't matter. Oh, it's literally the first 2 minutes. What?
What the heck?
Yeah, man.
2 minutes of the stream.
Yeah, the first 2 minutes of the stream.
How is it possible?
I don't even know.
Does it have a description or something?
Yeah, it's got the name of the song, just like that. Let's have a look. Nah. weird one, man. Well, it still allowed me to publicize it, so what can I say?
Well, still feeling that problem that over there.
I just don't want. It's just long, man. I just want to be able to, you know, stream without any mishaps.
Yeah, the part of music is really tricky.
Yeah, it's a bit annoying, really, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a lot of noise.
But yeah, I'm thinking now if we get the 5 closing above 2024-7, this last 5 of the hour could smash, fill that range up, and then if open comes in and pushes it higher,
Let's see.
yeah, so see that's a good range. So it's like 15-16 pips, and then see if we're gonna break through. That'd be a better option, I think, if it can do that after seeing a pullback. YouTube, anyone taking any trades today? What people looking at? Yeah, GJ. Can't sell it, can't really buy it right now. Obviously I'll be more looking for buys than sells, even though it seems like we're still bearish. Could easily just be grabbing liquidity to flip this daily up. But yeah, gold's not really giving me that option. Not right now anyway. I think the only way you're gonna play GJ is maybe if this hour closes bullish and then the next one creates a higher support than in this wick. You could possibly play this range, but is that going to be the best option? It's not the best option, but it may work out.
Here we are, dead.
But yeah, no, gold's dead, man. Gold could easily now just fill this wick down and close heavy bearish before open now. Easily. What are you looking for, Donald? What are you thinking?
I don't know, man. It's really tricky everywhere because gold made a higher high, made a really pushy higher high to 2000. And I think even gold might not break anywhere, just make weeks before NFP because it's higher. I don't think gold can go higher than this because it's at 2029. The max it has gone is 2040. I don't think you want to test anything higher than that.
No, maybe with NFP we'll see it push a bit higher. Yeah, I think I agree with that.
It might retrace to create some lower lows before pushing higher and higher because it's really high and most of the people were gonna say, yeah, we're going higher and higher and higher right now. So make grab liquidity and push down. But I might be wrong, and it can push higher and higher.
Yeah.
Don't right here.
Trust.
It's a really difficult position over there. It's a really filthy range.
Yeah. Only thing I'm thinking is, like I was saying, breaks of this. You've got this as a target, at least. Do you know what I'm saying? But I don't know. I think I might just leave it alone now.
Imagine that it's making a lot of fake outs. Maybe it tries to go up, bam, big rejection. That's why I'm scared at this moment. I thought we might have got something today, but seems really tricky.
Maybe there was just such a push yesterday. It's not got the legs today.
Yeah, it doesn't have volume today. Maybe everything has dried down from yesterday, and today they're just chilling.
Right, I'll see how this 5-minute closes, and then I'll call it a day on the stream.
We have some news on GJ today, on Thursday, or not, what time? Yeah, it's on Thursday.
Thursday, yeah.
No, it's today, or no, today, yeah, Wednesday, today. On 10:30 we have some news on GJ. We have the composite PMI and service PMI.
Oh, yeah. I don't think that's too impactful, to be fair, so it should be right.
And we have ADP on.
Yeah, see, that's more important. That's gonna be more important. But we got a lot of Bank of England speakers as well.
And I think gold's gonna kill too much people today.
Yeah, if this can't break above that little area, then it's not gonna head up with open. Oh, I doubt it. This is where gold's gonna go crazy, innit? If it had closed above there, I might have given it another shot, but not at this stage. Yeah, no, I'm gonna leave it alone. Oh shit. Right, cool. Alright, YouTube. It's dead session. Absolute dead session.
Yeah.
Right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. So, yeah, it is what it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. Alright, YouTube will be back on tomorrow. But like I say, Friday and Monday will be off. Alright? For bank holiday. So, yeah, we'll see what happens. Alright, guys, have a good weekend. Have a good day. Take care. and I'll see everyone tomorrow.
Yeah.
Make sure you like the stream.
Subscribe.
Yep, subscribe and all that. All of that, all of that. Take care, Lone Wolf. Yeah, it's a bit of a dead session to us. Gave gold the little one shot. Pushed 10 pips into profit, but we're not really interested in 10 pips. Trying to get to targets. But we had to. Couldn't let it go into drawdown. Too dangerous of a spot to let that go into drawdown. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, GJ, no sells. Just, yeah, it's just awful to be honest. But yeah, right, peace out guys, take care, and see everyone tomorrow.